Hey there leather enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special to talk about, crazy horse leather. If you've never heard of it, you're in for a treat. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be itching to get your hands on this incredible leather. Crafted through a special tanning process, crazy horse leather is known for its distressed and weathered appearance. It's like it's been on countless adventures, each scratch and mark telling a tale of its own. Crazy horse leather is typically made from high-quality, full-grain cowhide leather. What sets it apart is the special wax finish that is applied during the tanning process. This wax finish gives the leather a rugged and aged appearance. It creates a two-tone effect on the leather's surface. When you rub your fingers over it or scratch the leather, the underlying color is revealed, creating a distressed, wild, and tough look. Key characteristics of crazy horse leather include durability. Crazy horse leather is known for its durability and ability to withstand wear and tear. The wax finish not only gives a unique appearance but also helps protect the leather from damage. Aging gracefully. With use and time, crazy horse leather develops a patina, which is a natural sheen or shine that develops on the surface. This patina enhances the leather's appearance, making it even more unique and appealing as it ages. Scratch resistance. The wax finish helps make crazy horse leather somewhat resistant to scratches. Minor scratches can often be rubbed out or minimized with the application of heat or friction. Water resistant. While not entirely waterproof, crazy horse leather does have some resistance to water due to the wax finish. It can withstand light moisture and rain, but it's still essential to protect it from prolonged exposure to water. Distinctive appearance. The two-tone effect created by the wax finish makes each piece of crazy horse leather unique. It gives the leather a vintage and rustic appearance that many people find appealing. Maintenance. So if you have a crazy horse leather product, you'll be wondering how you're going to maintain it. It's very easy. All you need is a horsehair brush and a cotton cloth. You're just going to take your horsehair brush and brush off any dust. If your crazy horse leather product does get dirty, all you're going to do is take some warm water and soak it with your cotton cloth, and you're just going to lightly brush it. You would also want to avoid exposing your crazy horse leather item to water and direct sunlight for an extended period of time. Okay, so we're going to be showcasing some of Craft and Antler's crazy horse leather products. What I have here is our billfold wallet. It comes with a slot for cash and 6 card slots for IDs and credit cards. We have valet trays. These are great for your EDC, everyday carry. Great for your wallets, keys, and phone. Guess what this is? This is our crazy horse leather desk mat, and we sell hundreds of these. If you have a laptop or a computer, or you have a desktop computer and you want to put a keyboard on top, this is perfect for it. Crazy horse leather desk mat. We also have 2 types of crazy horse leather coasters. So we have our single layer ones and our double layer deluxe ones, and these are all on sale on our website. Inspired from our trip to Japan, we create the long wallet. This is great for cash and credit cards. So a little detail about the long wallet plus. It has 2 slots for cash and 2 slots for credit cards and ID. This is the perfect wallet for everyday use. The Long Wallet Plus. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video on all things leather.